Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add files or documents to your Weebly website. This is incredibly useful if you want to share downloadable resources, PDFs, or any other documents with your site visitors. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites. Look at the left side menu and you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it, and underneath that, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that to proceed. Now you'll see a list of all the websites you've created. Choose the specific website you want to edit by selecting it from the list. Once you've selected your site, look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will open up your website editor where you can make all your changes. When the editor loads, make sure you're on the Build tab at the top menu. This is where you'll find all the elements and tools you need to add content to your site. Now, shift your attention to the left side menu where all your available elements are displayed. You're looking for the file element, which is what we'll use to add your document. If you don't immediately see the file element in the menu, don't worry. Just click on Show All Elements at the bottom of the element list. This will expand the menu and reveal all available options, including the file element you need. Once you've located the file element, simply drag it into the area of your website where you want the document to appear. This could be anywhere on your page, whether it's in the main content area, sidebar, or footer. After you've dragged it onto your page, click on the file element you just placed. A pop-up menu will appear with options for managing your file. In that pop-up menu, click on Upload File. This will open a file browser window where you can select the document you want to add from your computer. Navigate to the file's location, select it, and upload it to your Weebly site. Once uploaded, the file will be embedded on your page, and visitors can click it to download or view the document. And that's it. You've successfully added a file or document to your Weebly website, making it easy for your visitors to access important resources. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.